So, after that, welcome back after the break. Now we've got to build the tyres, with the wheels, sorry. A little bit more in depth than some of the others. These look like they're three-piece. So you would have a centrepiece, an outside, and an inside.
Makes sense, yeah.
So it says to push F3 into the tyres. So
doesn't say anything about sniffing them.
Give them a good. Oh yeah.
So there's your front. So we're doing the fronts first, yeah?
Yeah, I think I've got them wrong. I think it's this one. It's the F3. It looks like this has got like an edge out.
Right. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah.
So that's got to go into the tyre and secure firmly.
Which way round?
This facing out towards me. Right. There's no writing on here. Is there writing on both sides?
Yeah.
So probably doesn't matter then.
Oh, I've heard about this. People have said these are real hard to get into the tyre. Oh, that's stiff.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, someone tip I've heard on YouTube: slide it in diagonally first,
then spin it.
And then spin it. I can't remember where I learnt that, but whatever channel it was, I watched that on.
Well done, because that works.
It does it all. Look at that, and it goes.
Wow.
What channel did I watch that on? Put it in the comments section. Who gave that tip out of a recent hornet or grasshopper build? Although saying that, it's still not on the rim yet. You might as well start building and putting one of the other ones together, because this is.
Well, I can't really do that until you've done that, because this F2, which contains washers, nuts, lots of little nuts, goes on the outside.
You got any tyre levers?
No. So put these little nuts into here.
Yeah. Are you sure this is right?
I think so, yeah. So that goes in there like that.
I can't get them on. You have a go.
That's it. It's on, isn't it?
No.
Yeah.
Is it?
That's it.
Oh, right.
And then I think these just sit.
I see. Right. Yeah. I'm with you.
So looking at that, that's coming in towards us.
So do you want me to do the
so
other
this sits in here like this. That would press in there. Obviously, you need to match them nuts up with the holes. Otherwise, it's not going to secure, is it?
Makes sense. Well, it's like the old split rims back in the day on real cars.
Fiddly.
Yeah. They certainly ain't going to be coming off in a hurry, are they?
No. Definitely fiddly.
Right, that's the next front one done.
You still sniffing it?
Still sniffing.
So that would be correct, yeah?
Yeah, makes sense to me.
And then this bit goes in this way.
Yeah.
With the...
It's a cool bit of design, isn't it?
Well, each one of them screws has now got to go through there and meet up with them nuts.
There's no way my fingers are going to hold them screws, I can guarantee that.
I'll give it a go, shall we?
Yeah.
And that's then complete, I take it.
Sweet. I'm going to try and get the back tyres on in the meantime.
Yeah. They're not going through that though. That's not quite lined up.
Maybe he's gone to sleep.
Not yet. Radiator's warm down here though.
Cool. This is fiddly, this one, isn't it?
This is fiddly.
I wouldn't like to be a 9-year-old or 10-year-old kid trying to build these. The rest of it was alright, but this is trying, isn't it?
Oh,
That's right.
got hired help again.
Big black cat. Hello, Wally.